Good day. It's already 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, procedure how to ship side alongside at MV Barge is Bengal, and then also have ready loading at the starboard side between cargo hold number 4, and then this one is cargo hold number 1 and 2. Ship side. Yes. Manual pulling the mooring. This one is a mooring operation. This one Bengal, and then also Isra Shipping, ala Isra Shipping. Yan, have fender also. Fender also. Empty. It's empty. Okay. Continuous discharging, loading to the barge of Bangladesh.
My friend,
Chittagong.
chicken like chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, like. No like.
Don't like, my friend?
Beer give me.